Back pain is a very common problem that most of the people experience at some point of their life. Such pains can be triggered by different body postures, improper sitting, standing and many others, and they can appear on a daily basis. However, this video provides you an easy and very simple way to release your pain. It includes exercises that will help you remove pain in the back, knees and hip. If you practice them more often, you won't experience any problems. These are the moves that will improve your balance and body posture, and relieve your pain. Feet are very important. Feet are one of the most important body parts that control your overall balance, body posture and some pains. They enable our movement throughout the day while withstanding some uncomfortable footwear. A suitable care of them will provide a prime condition of the whole body. With aging, our feet become deteriorated and painful, so it is hard to walk. That's the reason why 1 in 3 Americans fall suddenly, and the risk of falling increases in the 80s and the 90s. While walking, the pressure on each foot controls the balance of the rest of the body. Also, pain in one foot can put off your balance walking or standing. If you exercise on a regular basis, you will strengthen your muscles and keep the proper blood flow, thus preventing any balance problems connected with age. The balance relates to body posture, and it involves the proper alignment of bones and muscles to keep you upright. If they are not aligned in a proper manner, your body posture can out of balance. According to a study, women who wear high heels have greater risk of experiencing pain in the lower back. This pain can cause problems with the posture, and you have to undertake different methods to relieve the pain. 1. Toe pressing. Before you exercise any part of your body, you need to warm up your toes. By toe pressing, you will improve the flow of blood in your feet, and in the same time you will relax them. You just have to stand up, bend your knees slightly, grasp the floor with the toes and stay in that position for 3 seconds. Do this exercise for 10 times, 3 times every day, in order to keep your toes young and strong. 2. Toe walking. You will strengthen your muscles, ligaments and toes by toe walking as a ballerina for 20 seconds. Standing like that will significantly improve your feet. Do this exercise twice a day, 5 times with small pause in between. If you notice your balance is not perfect, hold on walls or surfaces, but do not worry at all, because it will significantly better with practice. 3. Ankle circles. This exercise will relieve the knee, hip and ankle pain for a very short period of time. The pain in these areas is triggered by poor body posture. When the upper part of the body is not in the same line with the lower one, the weight bearing is out of balance and there is an irregular pressure on the lower part while walking. For this exercise, lie down on your back and bend your legs upwards. Stretch one of your legs above your body. Then, rotate your ankle clockwise for 10 seconds and then move it in the opposite direction for another 10 seconds. Do the same exercise with the other ankle. For optimal results, practice this exercise twice a day. 4. Resistance band. Those small muscles in your feet are essential for the balance of your body. This exercise will help you walk without pain. For this, you will need 1 exercise band. First, sit on the floor and straighten out your legs in front of you. Then, wrap one side of the exercise band around a chair or a bedpost and the other side on the top of your feet. While you are in the sitting position, slide back until you feel some tension in the band. Flex your foot backwards and hold it for 5 repetitions. Release and then repeat the exercise for 10 repetitions. 5. Toe pencil grasp. This is a very simple exercise where you have to take a pen or pencil with your toes and hold it for 10 seconds. By doing this exercise, you will improve your toes, and it can be easily performed almost everywhere. Practice this exercise 2 to 3 times a week, 5 times with each foot. 6. Foot massage. Move the tennis ball slowly around your right foot, starting by placing the ball under the second toe. Move for around 1 to 3 minutes, and then do the same foot massage with the other foot. 7. Stretching the heel tendons with the help of your knee. Turn toward the wall in a standing position. Place the right leg in front of you and bend the right knee a little bit. Start moving your hips towards the wall while you keep both of your heels steady on the ground. Hold here for about half a minute, and then relax for another half a minute. Repeat twice, and change the leg. 8. Toe stretching while sitting on a chair with the left leg on your right thigh. Grab your toes with the right hand and shake them as shaking hands with someone. Then, Stretch your toes to the side for 10 seconds. Do this 3 times, and change the foot. 9. Heels sit on the ground and extend your right leg in front of you, while the left one is under your thigh. Start bending forwards, grab your toes and make slow movements to press them in opposite directions. Remain here for about half a minute, and repeat twice with each leg. 10. Upward stretching of the legs and the toes. Lie down on your back and stretch your legs in front of you. Lift one leg in the air using a towel, straighten the knee, and carefully pull the towel toward your head. Do not exaggerate to prevent possible injury. Stay here for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat once again. Do the same thing with the opposite leg. Note, if you experience a persistent knee, back or hip pain, or if you have extreme posture or balance issues, you need to consult a doctor before you start with any of these exercises. If you find these exercises too strenuous, try some other exercises that will apply the pressure on different parts of your feet. Now you probably know how important it is to take care of your feet and that the achy pain can be easily removed with seconds. All you need to do is do these exercises and watch how your posture and balance improves and your pain vanishes.